In this video, we will cover how to use the volume candles on TradingView. These allow you to easily determine which candles experienced a lot of volume without being overly intruding on the chart. The volume candles are only available for paid TradingView members, but you can use my affiliate link in the description to get a free trial so you can test them out for free. To use the volume candles on TradingView, open up any chart. Next, click on the chart type icon at the top left next to the indicators button. Once you click on it, select volume candles and your candles will update on the chart. You should also add the volume indicator to get the most use of this, which you can do by selecting indicators at the top left, which will make this box appear where you can type volume into the search bar. Click on volume from the list, and it will be added to your chart. Activating volume candles will essentially make any candles with a lot of volume wider than candles with lower volume. The same goes for the histogram at the bottom of the chart. This makes it easier to see which candles are the most significant and have the most volume. The volume candles can be used for swing traders on the daily and weekly time frames, and they can be used by day traders on shorter time frames like the 1 and 5 minute charts. While it can be useful for swing trading, it is especially helpful for day traders since watching volume and price action is crucial when you are actively trading, and the wider candles allow you to spot high volume periods very quickly. You can see here on the SPY 5-minute chart, there is usually a volume spike at the last 5 minutes of the trading day, due to institutions closing positions for the day. If you go to the 1-minute chart, you can see the volume on an even more granular level, and we can see that most of the volume occurred in the last minute of the day. But that is how you read the volume candles on TradingView. I hope this video was helpful for you. Remember, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get a free trial of TradingView, which will allow you to test this feature out for free. You will also get a credit toward your subscription when you use my link, ensuring you get the best price.